Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk through how we can quickly deploy a Synapse environment using something called custom templates. So we'll go over here in our Azure environment and I'll type in custom templates. Alright, and you see something called deploy a custom template. So let's go ahead and click on that. And this will bring us to a place where you see the option to create different types of templates, and over here at the bottom you see it says quick start templates, and this is a good place for beginners to get a good idea of how you can quickly get set up with a tool, right? And in this case we want to see how we can quickly get set up with Synapse. So I'll go ahead and open this up and type in Synapse. As you see, there were so many different options here. I'll click Synapse POC, and what you see here is an option where you can learn more about what this template is. And if you click learn more, what it's going to do is open a GitHub page where you can see what this template does. It tells you what's going to be deployed, Synapse Workspace, SQL pool. You also have the option to deploy a Spark pool. Obviously you get a ADLS account, and there's other options here with logic apps as well to pause and start your SQL pool. So we'll go over that in a separate video. Overall, you get a good idea of what you're going to be seeing here within this GitHub page. All right, so now we're going to head back into the custom deployment, and what we could do here is select this template, or you can edit it. So let's click edit to see what happens, and this will take you to the ARM template code where you can actually make edits to this if you want to, or you could just select it as it is, which I'll do, and I'll deploy this right inside of this environment. And what you're going to do is just probably one of the quickest deployments you ever have here in Azure. So you give it a name. I'll just call it Azure Synapse RG. Press OK. So obviously you have to fill out the parts that have this little red part on this. So I'll give this a quote unquote company name. That's what it's going to use as a prefix for just about everything that deploys. So I'll call this Azure Synapse. Okay. And for the SQL environment, you need a login. Put my login details that I want to use. You can select what your SQL pool tier should be, whether it's DW100 or more. For this one, I'll just keep it as the default and press review and create. And that's it. You're off and running with Azure Synapse. And it'll take some time to deploy this, but you get the gist. So this is how you can quickly get up and running with Azure Synapse. In the next video, this environment should have been deployed by then. And what we're going to do is talk through the logic app features and how that can be beneficial if you're using a dedicated SQL pool environment. All right, I'll see you in the next one.